Hello student, in last year in 8th standard we had studied the definitions of acid and base on the basis of old concept. It means that on the basis of test and with the help of litmus paper. According to traditional concept or old concept, what are the acids? The substance which having the sour taste, and in the substance the moist blue litmus turns to red are called acids. Now what are the base? The substance which have a sour taste, which have a bitter taste or soapy to touch, and in the substance the moist red litmus turns to blue. Such substances are called as the bases. But in 1887, the Swedish Arrhenius scientist put forth the theory of acid and bases. The Arrhenius theory of acid and bases totally depends upon the aqueous solution of the substance. It means that Arrhenius taken the different types of substance and dissolved in water. Then he observed that some substance gives the hydrogen ion cation in the water. This shows the property of acid. And some substance dissolved in water, it gives the hydrogen anion. This shows the property of base. Therefore, the Arrhenius explained that the definitions of acid and base. What is the acids according to Arrhenius theory? The substance which gives only hydrogen ion in the water. Such substances are called acids. For example, HCl hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 nitric acid, HNO3, etc. For example, when this hydrochloric acid is dissolved, hydrochloric acid dissolved in water, then you know that it dissociates the ion. Which ion? It gives the hydrogen ion and chlorine ion. Which ion? It gives the hydrogen ion, cations. Therefore, it is acids because in the aqueous solution it gives the hydrogen ion. Second example, H2SO4, sulfuric acid dissolved in water, then it dissociates the ion. Which ion? It gives the hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. Sulfuric acid also gives the hydrogen ion in the water. Therefore, sulfuric acid is an example of acids. According to Arrhenius theory, what is the base? The substance which dissolved in water and gives only OH negative ion are called base. For example, NaOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, potassium hydroxide, KOH, etc. You take the first example. NaOH is dissolved in water, then it dissociates the ion in the water and gives the sodium positive ion plus hydroxyl ion. Therefore, it is base. Why? Because sodium dissolved in water, it gives the hydroxyl ion. Second example, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. When this calcium hydroxide dissolved in water, it dissociates the ion and gives the Ca dipositive, again hydroxyl ion in the water. Therefore, calcium hydroxide is the base. Understand how to define the acid and base according to Arrhenius theory? The substance which dissolved in water and it gives only hydrogen cations. are called acid, and the substance which is dissolved in water, it gives the only hydroxyl anions, are called base. Question may be asked, define acid and base according to Arrhenius theory and give two examples each. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.